Just gone past the 100k mark to Grootfontein. I've done 170, call it 160 k's. I'm 160 k's out of Rundu. I am now going to that side of the road. I know that's retard, but 160 k's out of Rundu. It's still cold, but there's a nip still in the air. Feels like there's a little bit of a headwind coming from the sort of 45 degrees on that side. On the left, I feel a little bit of a buffet, like the bike wobbling a little bit here and there. I want to see what the grass is doing, maybe more 90 degrees, I don't know. So somewhere from the front side left. Anyway, 100 k's to Grooties. Making a blisteringly good time. First time on the trip, really, having this experience. Again, I don't know what time it is, 8 o'clock somewhere. Pothole sign, so that's good to take note of. Yeah, so 260, at 260 I'll be in Grooties. Pick up some petrol, and then it's only another 100 to my stop and stay at Otavi for a day of chilling. Before it's about Otavi is almost exactly halfway. It's about then another 330, I think, into Windhoek. So that'll be another easy haul tomorrow morning.